next option you got this knife right here, okay? We did the escape this way, we did the takedown, okay? I could take this knife and use it against him, okay? Once I use it against him, disarm. The way I disarm this knife, okay, is I take his wrist up against the leg and I turn around. If he's got a really short little blade sticking out there, this would not be the disarm to use. You just stab and you get out of there, okay? The last one is if the fight goes down to the ground, let's say you're able to get this person's hand to the ground. Now just putting somebody's back of their wrist onto a hard surface is very painful as it is. But if this guy's on drugs, he's not going to experience that pain. He holds onto the knife, I struggle down, I step on the knife, I drive this person away from the blade. I can continue fighting from here.